I'm Dr. Corey Emanuel, and I am really here to just rave about Dr. Lauren Hill of Acclivity. She has been essential in helping me in my postdoctoral academic career. She helped me not only advance my CV, but my statement of teaching, my statement of diversity, my cover letter. Anyone who is finishing grad school, transitioning, trying to figure out what their next academic career move is, should absolutely call upon Dr. Hill. I look forward to just having her as part of my group of champions and people who understand me. You know, as a psychologist, as an African American, it's very important when you're trying to navigate your post-academic career to have someone who understands you and has done the steps and done all of the things that she can really speak to your goals and what it is you're trying to achieve in a way that is actually achievable. So I highly recommend Dr. Hill, and I look forward to continuing to just be part of her circle as a fellow academic professional.